Hello guys, welcome to Not's YouTube channel, and this is our exclusive series Not So Serious. And our today's topic is India in Olympics 2024. Well, have you guys been watching Olympics?
Well,
Okay, so the biggest take of this Olympics is the Vinesh Fogart thing. What are your opinion on that?
So, whatever happened, I feel it is obviously heartbreaking as an Indian fan. But rules are rules, and I think we should always follow rules because today we are protesting and tomorrow someone else might protest. And today it is for 100 grams, tomorrow it might be for 200 grams. So, it is what it is. Rules should be.
But someone else think ki some flexibility can be there.
Yeah, I agree. There should be a little bit of flexibility in the sense the athlete should be given a little bit of time to probably reduce that certain amount of weight. Because if it's just 100 to 100 grams, then I think it can be reduced within 30 minutes or so. So I think the athlete should be given that time.
I think it's definitely a heartbreak because I truly believe that many of them were hoping that she would be the one to get us a gold. So we are still awaiting that particular thing. So I think in a way, while I appreciate all her efforts, I also do believe that, it has been such a rocky road for her. Such an
I think she
anticlimax.
deserved it.
Well, yeah, true.
Also, other unfortunate thing was the Lakshya Sen thing because I think he was one of the number one contenders for the medals, and the way he played the whole season and against Victor Axelsen, who is the 2020 gold medal winner in the Olympics, he was ahead of him. And he had 3 set points, but he lost that game. And second game was at 7-0 and he lost that game. And again, then in the bronze medal match, he won the first set and then lost the match. So I don't know what happened with him, but what do you guys think? Lakshya Sen, what happened?
Probably, it felt like he was playing under pressure. So maybe that could have got it. But I don't know, to be honest.
I think on the big stage it's a bit different. On the big stage the expectations are a bit different. The challenges are going to be a bit different because you're going to deal with a lot of countries at the same time and you don't know how they are prepared. So it's just like we may have the topmost seed in the world, but then again on that particular stage we're not very sure of how they perform.
It's easy for us to say, but I don't think we understand the kind of pressure the athlete goes through.
I cannot run a 100-meter race. So yeah.
It's pretty hard. Apart from Lakshya Sen, the other big thing is the curse of place number 4. Like there were a lot of sports we came fourth, like just 1 inch away from a medal.
Yeah.
So yeah, why is that? What do you think the problem is?
I think it was because they are performing well and on such a big platform, but at the same time I feel they are not getting the support and infrastructure that needs to be there. India is lacking in that. We are a country of population of 1.3 billion people, but only athletes, the number of athletes that India should be sending, we are not there, and that is the reason why we are lacking.
I think
Countries like China are leading, countries like USA, they are always acing, but then compared to us, we are glorifying other sports compared to the other sport in general, I mean cricket.
just for the knowledge, India sent 117 athletes, only 117 athletes out of 144 crore people in India.
I mean, I think that why needs to be asked more is because we have the infrastructure, we have athletes, we have the ability to be at that platform, we're just not grabbing it. I mean, there are so many athletes that are competing in nationals, but कोई international level पे क्यों नहीं दिख रहा? And जो जा भी रहे हैं, उन्हें support नहीं मिल रहा. Like the kind of support that Neeraj Chopra got after he won the medal, I'm pretty sure before he won the medal there was nothing. So I mean, that's what needs to be looked into.
I think the number 4 curse is something like of a myth which happens in every other sport in this world. I think for me as a person who has been watching Olympics for a long time, I certainly believe that it has been a certain level of upgrade as to how we are looking at, say, Olympics right now, considering all the athletes and all the struggles are being focused upon much better during those social media days. But I think the number 4 curse is something that the fans have created. We are always so passionate when we win the qualifying round, and then we have this sudden expectation that at least something is necessary. I think for us, our focus has been to qualify more than to achieve the medal.
इंडिया में प्रॉब्लम ये है कि हम ग्रास रूट लेवल से ही लोगों को पिक नहीं कर रहे हैं.
Absolutely.
I think हाँ एक मीम भी देखा था कि एक मेडल विनर जो इंडिया के लिए मेडल जीत सकता था वो आज गवर्नमेंट जॉब कर रहा है कहीं बैठ के या फिर प्राइवेट जॉब कर रहा है. बिकॉज हम लोगों की थिंकिंग ऐसे कि जॉब करो एंड ऑल करो उसमें थोड़ा पैसा है, स्पोर्ट्स में कोई पैसा ही नहीं ऐसा लगता है.
Correct.
So
I think there's no proper infrastructure when we look at sports. I think the grassroots has to start from the school level,
Yeah.
at the primary
I
level.
feel you should not only blame the government, we should also look at our own families. I think family pressure, because of family pressure, only most of the athletes stop playing at a certain level and they have to start earning so that they can provide for their family.
Absolutely.
So and talking about family and earning and everything, I think we can also see that before Neeraj Chopra won a gold medal, I think no brands approached them.
yeah,
We
exactly.
can talk about the media, how media portrays sports, a person in general.
I don't want to bring this topic up, but you said there's no money in sport. There is actually, but it's just that it's not coming to the players. It gets stuck up in between federations and other third-party influence or whatever you can call it.
Yeah.
But yeah, there is a lot of money. It's just because of politics.
Politics,
and
yeah.
It's just
India and politics. Leagues are coming, but they don't have viewership only. Badminton league है, people might not know badminton league है. I think table tennis league भी हुई थी कभी इंडिया में
Yes.
क्या, but
फिर
लोगों को पता
PKL
नहीं है.
came
भाई,
up,
there's
Kho-Kho
pro
league
kabaddi
came
league,
up.
yeah. Then there's ISL. ISL
Yes.
चलो ठीक है थोड़ा थोड़ा उसको मिलना start
ISL
हुआ
में
है.
title sponsors
Right.
है ही नहीं. How can such a big platform have no title sponsors?
And we are talking about football जिसका world में influence कुछ ज़्यादा ही है.
Exactly.
I mean,
But
yeah.
I think one of the major reasons for that is that IPL we're getting all legends to play.
Yeah.
Like we're getting Maxwell and all the foreign legends also to come and play. We're putting in the money to bring them here. But we're not doing that for other sports. We did that for badminton, but then the kind of audience we should have reached, we didn't. Because proper knowledge ही नहीं था लोगों को about what is going on.
Badminton से one thing I remembered is when Lakshya Sen lost, Prakash Padukone said that we have the right infrastructure for badminton, being
Yeah,
particular,
yeah.
but हमारे players ने गलती कर दी. So do you think कि हमारे players कहीं रह गए? Also because in the Satvik and Chirag, the duo, the badminton duo, they were also very good and they were also one of the
Chirag
contenders.
Shetty, yeah.
Yeah, भाई.
Correct.
And they could have won it, but वो भी हार गए and लक्ष्य सेन भी हारा. तो क्या players की एक टाइम पे हमें players को ही blame करना start करना चाहिए?
What Prakash Padukone said was actually wrong. I agree with.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I think players also.
Are at fault, certain
Are at
level,
fault.
Yeah, they are.
percentage.
And I mean, the fact that Lakshya Sen himself hasn't commented on it, I mean, I think he knows it himself that उसने भी किधर तो गलती की होगी.
Yeah. That's also true.
But that is what na, as an athlete, I think people need to focus on their mental health as well because we need to have that under control.
True.
Otherwise, under pressure तो इसलिए यही होगा.
I think even we should also like blame us as audience as well because you see example for football. I think football has more popularity in Kerala and Bengal compared to other states.
Yeah.
And it is somewhere we are the ones who are not supporting them as well. So brands see that as well.
But now that you've brought up football and Durand Cup ka, the topic had come out before. In Durand Cup, what is happening now? Kerala Blasters is making their ISL team play Durand Cup. Whereas Mumbai City is making their reserve team play.
Yeah.
So Mumbai City is actually doing a good thing by making their reserve team play because it's giving
They're
a
getting him a
platform.
chance, yeah.
Otherwise, where will the reserve team get a platform?
Yeah.
It does not make sense for the ISL team only to come and play Durand Cup.
Right.
मतलब हमारे प्लेयर्स को अगर वो प्लेटफॉर्म बिल्ड करके नहीं मिलेगा तो देन ग्रोथ तो होने नहीं वाला.
I think sports like these are based on visibility. I certainly believe that particular thing because the more you have visible, if you win something at Olympics, you get a sure shot notion of say winning a medal, getting a government job,
Yeah.
getting recognition from the government, people, fans, and this sport. We create fans during the once in 4 years. That's the biggest problem for us. We don't really have fans who will support them post the Olympics.
Exactly.
Unless we see them on some advertisement.
And
or
that
some-
also only after you win a medal. People have expectations for India to win medals, but at the same time, if you question them, if they would put their child in a sport,
Right.
they wouldn't.
They wouldn't, हाँ.
Haven't you seen that meme where there is like one side of the supporters versus the congratulations? So
Yeah.
supporters, only one person is there, congratulations, the whole
Exactly.
world is there.
वही और मुझे बोलेगा कोई कि मेडल
और
तो नहीं आ रहा
वो भी एक पर्टिकुलर स्पैन तक ही रहेंगे,
हाँ,
उसके बाद
वही।
गायब।
या अभी ये खत्म हो जाएगा ओलंपिक ईयर एंड देन आफ्टर 4 years ही शायद कोई याद करेगा वही
Neeraj Chopra became our star boy for
Yeah.
one full year after he won the gold medal.
But
Then
that's
did
what
you-
he won the gold medal. That's
Yeah.
the
also I think मीडिया में ये भी कर सकते हैं कि जो नॉर्मल जो टूर्नामेंट्स होते हैं लोकल टूर्नामेंट्स
Yeah.
अगर तुम उसको दिखाओगे एंड लोगों को लगेगा कि हाँ हमें विजिबिलिटी मिल रही है मेरा टूर्नामेंट भी जियो सिनेमा पे आ रहा है मेरा
Correct.
लोकल टूर्नामेंट आ रहा है तो मैं खेलूंगा फिर मैं और लोग भी चाहेंगे कि हाँ इफ दिस इज गेटिंग सम विजिबिलिटी मेरे को जाना है आगे
Let's talk about the happy moments
Yeah.
of the Olympics.
Yeah, it's coming back to this Olympics and the things India have
That we
won.
should be proud of
Yeah.
actually. So first let's start with Manu Bhaker.
The fact that a woman has been starting the medal tally for the past 2-3 Olympics
Yeah.
for
This is
India,
the third
it's a
consecutive
big
Olympic,
thing.
yeah.
So, yes.
I think भाई मनु भाकर ने 2 मेडल जीते हैं and she was so close to the third one.
Yeah.
So this is a great thing.
This is something I think there are a lot of youngsters also coming
हाँ.
from this Olympics. Example yesterday,
Aman
Aman
Sherawat,
Sherawat.
he's just 21
Yeah.
years of
Yeah.
age and me and my friend while seeing this we were like bro हम भी तो 21 साल के हैं हमें क्यों मतलब थोड़ा बुरा लगता है कि हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे but yeah it's a proud moment as well साथ में ही
Yes.
but yeah वो होता है
plus hockey team also back to back 2 years they were winning the
Yes.
bronze
Right.
medal. So
When we talk about hockey team and अभी youngsters का बात हुआ है, श्रीजेश,
Yeah.
I mean he's been playing Olympics for the
वही.
past 4 times.
हाँ, we should declare him as a national treasure because when
Yeah.
India won the T20 World Cup, Jasprit Bumrah was declared as a national treasure and he's
Yeah.
doing the same thing. वो
Yeah,
इंडिया
I
को
mean, the
बचा
fact that Neeraj Chopra gave up his flag bearer position
Yeah.
to Shreejesh is so cute, honestly.
Yeah, I think people don't say this thing इतना कि sports में जो brotherhood होती है
Brotherhood.
वो feeling बहुत ज्यादा होती है
Brotherhood
से या अभी नीरज चोपड़ा एंड हर्षद नदीम या दे आर इंडिया एंड पाकिस्तान लोगों को लगता है ब्रो क्या rivalry है nobody
Exactly.
knows हाँ वो मतलब 2016 से बचपन से साथ में compete कर रहे
And
हैं they are
I
like
think
brothers
so much so that Neeraj's mom has gone and
हाँ.
said Nadeem is our son only.
Right.
It's like both my sons one.
I think first time India we have seen like we are supporting a Pakistani
Ah,
athlete
actually.
and we are
Yeah.
not
Yeah.
cribbing about it but we are actually happy for it.
Yeah, I mean 90 he was close to 93 meters an
Yeah.
Olympic record I mean he deserves that respect
Yeah.
भाई अगर तुम जाके बोलोगे एक क्यों
And
जीत
his
गया
life-
नीरज को जीतना चाहिए था
To be honest, the competition was not close.
हाँ.
The first and second throw both were of Nadeem only.
भाई हाँ the last
Then
the
the
last
third
three
one.
shot yeah it was
Yeah.
also 90 meters so yeah
It was 91.
and yeah Neeraj also said he did a lot of hard work
Exactly.
in
I feel we should take it upon ourselves to actually support all
yeah
these
I think
athletes.
yeah everyone who is watching needs to
Yeah.
know this कि भाई now you have to support the Indian
It's not
hockey team को भी।
criticizing
भाई,
them or
हाँ,
saying something bad कि like अरे यार ये तो fourth ही आई है,
Hmm.
third क्यों नहीं आई?
भाई
We should actually cheer them up for the efforts that they've put because it's not easy to perform at that platform.
भाई and also मतलब but yeah it's a good thing but yeah I think big respect to Vinesh Phogat I don't know उसे कैसा feel हो रहा होगा इतना close आके
Obviously.
100 ग्राम I think it's just 100
And
ग्राम
apart from that, the kind of year she's had,
भाई
the struggle.
the whole journey
Yeah.
2016 में she was out because of an injury
Yeah.
Olympic के मैच पे उसे injury हुई 2020 was another same reason or something else and then अभी यहाँ पे final में पहुँच के खत्म हुआ so that is
I
one
hope she
thing
gets a medal, honestly.
yeah I mean though she has said that she is retired mom
Yeah.
और ऐसे नहीं
But I
हो
hope
गया
she gets a medal.
हाँ but yeah I mean we are hoping कि India gets a medal but yeah this year was a great one for India
Yes.
Yes.
I think let's hope next time जब Olympics होंगे हमारे पास और ज़्यादा मेडल आएंगे
Correct.
Correct.
एंड जस्ट एक अपील है कि जो भी कोई देख रहा है हमें ट्राई टू सपोर्ट इंडिया जिस भी तरीके से हो सकता है
It is our responsibility as audience that we
हाँ.
should also go out and support our
हाँ ओलंपिक में मैं स्टोरी लगा के कूल बन जाऊंगा लेकिन जब वो एशियन गेम्स भी जीत रहे हैं या फिर वो
Commonwealth.
एशियन कप जीत रहे हैं हाँ वर्ल्ड चैंपियनशिप जीत रहे हैं कॉमनवेल्थ जीत रहे हैं तब भी स्टोरी लगानी जरूरी है और अगर
अपने
नेशनल
local
रिकॉर्ड भी बन रहा है
tournaments
वही
में भी
नेशनल
जाके
रिकॉर्ड
अपने
बन रहा
दोस्तों को
है तो
support
भी
करो यार।
वही ऐसे
Same thing.
एंड ऑल्सो पेरेंट्स भी अगर देख रहे हैं तो इट्स ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट कि तुम उसको भी थोड़ा अपडेट करो बच्चों को जाने दो आई थिंक दिस इज समथिंग एंड जो फीलिंग एंड जो सीख मिलता है स्पोर्ट्स के ग्राउंड पे
Correct.
इट इज समथिंग मीन किसी को कुछ और ऐड करना हो तो
Sports can be cruel, but sports is sports.
स्पोर्ट्स इज स्पोर्ट्स इट इज लव अगर तुम चाहते हो इंडिया को और गोल्ड मिले 2028 ओलंपिक्स में तो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करो नहीं करोगे तो डर लगेगा हाँ विराट कोहली के लिए नीरज चोपड़ा के लिए मनु भाकर के लिए मैरी कॉम के लिए